Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. Today, I'm going to be guiding you through how to change background in Viber chat. If you want to give your conversations a fresh look by changing the background with just a simple steps, first of all, open up the Viber app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in. Now, go to the chat you want to customize from the chat screen. After you're inside the conversation of a chat, go ahead and chat on the name of the person you are chatting with. Tap on their name at the top and tap on Chat Info and Settings. Now from the menu, scroll down and tap on Background. Select an existing background or choose a background from your device's camera roll. I'm gonna tap on Choose Existing. This will take you to your device's camera roll. Go ahead and select a picture you'd like to use as a background image on Viber. After selecting the picture, tap on Done at the top right. Now, you will be able to see that you have now successfully changed the background of this specific chat. Now get back inside the chat and you will see that your background has changed. So after doing that, you will be able to change the background of the specific chat. Your new background will now show up in that specific chat only. Others won't see it, it's just for your eyes. So that's how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.